Hey everyone, welcome to the Review Scout. Today, I'm bringing you something that could completely shift your content creation game, video production strategy, or even the way you run your online business. If you're someone who has struggled with expensive AI tools, slow rendering, or complicated video creation software, then stick around because OneVideo AI is going to blow your mind. Right off the bat, this is not just another app. OneVideo AI is the world's most powerful and ultra-advanced video AI app collection. It's a breakthrough platform, something we haven't seen before in the AI video world. It gives you direct access to all the world's leading premium AI video apps in one dashboard. No switching tabs, no logging into different platforms, and most importantly, no paying monthly fees. With just a few clicks, you can launch your own AI video agency and start charging clients for work you can create with almost zero effort. The software is designed in such a way that even if you have no experience at all, you can start creating pro-level video content that people will pay for. So here's the best part. You're no longer stuck paying for costly monthly subscriptions on tools that don't even deliver cinematic output. With OneVideo AI, you're getting the top-performing video models like Google Veo, Kling, Hyper, Luma Dream Machine, Stable Diffusion, Minimax, Machi, and Hunyuan. These are the same tools that elite creators and agencies use, and you're getting lifetime access to them. Let's go over each one. Google Veo Pro takes your simple text prompts and turns them into hyper-realistic 4K cinematic videos. Kling AI Pro is used to generate real-time video scenes with buttery smooth motion and precise accuracy. Hyper AI Pro brings your ideas to life with animation, cinematic transitions, and storytelling. Then there's Luma Dream Machine, which creates dreamy, movie-style visuals that look like they belong in a Hollywood trailer. Stable Diffusion Video Pro is designed to turn your footage into fantasy-like animations and surreal artistic styles. Want to go viral on TikTok or Instagram? Minimax Video Pro is your secret weapon. It creates short-form, scroll-stopping clips from basic commands. Machi VFX Pro lets you add eye-catching visual effects and transitions, perfect for grabbing attention. And finally, Hunyuan AI Video Pro gives you that abstract, futuristic style, perfect for intros, brand videos, or promos. And the beauty of it all? One dashboard, one login, lifetime access, zero monthly fees. You could be saving over $12,717 annually. That's not a typo. That's the real cost of using these tools individually if you subscribe to them separately. But OneVideo AI gives you access to all of them without requiring you to spend even $1 more after your initial payment. This platform also includes live chat support driven by AI, which means you never get stuck. It comes with a full commercial license too. So not only can you create unlimited videos, you can sell them, resell platform access, or use it in your freelance gigs. Let's talk simplicity. The dashboard is incredibly easy to use. It's newbie-friendly and doesn't require any editing skills. You're not learning a new software from scratch. You just plug in your text, generate, and download. That's it. And yes, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which makes it a completely risk-free investment. So even if you try it and find that it's not for you, you can get your money back with no hassle. Now, this is a limited-time deal. Usually, access to OneVideo AI would cost you $97 per month. But during the launch, it's being offered at just $14.95 as a lifetime one-time payment. And as expected, the price increases every hour. With OneVideo AI, you're creating viral videos, cinematic edits, explainers, trailers, and promotional content in just seconds. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to outsource work. And you definitely don't need to pay ridiculous monthly fees. So what happens after you generate your video? You can monetize it, sell your content to clients, YouTubers, influencers, or post it to your own platforms. There are freelancers charging $100 to $1,000 per video, and you can do the same. because you're now armed with the same tools the top players use. When you scroll down the OneVideo AI sales page, you'll see a huge section comparing the annual cost of tools like Google Veo, Kling, Stable Diffusion, Luma Dream Machine, and others. They each cost hundreds per year, but you're getting all of them bundled into one dashboard for a one-time low payment. And it's not just about saving money, it's about increasing your output. Traditional free tools like Canva, Animoto, or Pictory give you basic results with poor motion control, overused templates, and watermarks. They simply can't keep up with the demand for high-level video content. With OneVideo AI, you're producing 4K cinematic videos in under 60 seconds. And there are no restrictions. No caps on rendering. No editing bottlenecks. Just professional video content, ready to go. Another huge advantage? Language support. OneVideo AI supports over 40 languages, including English, Hindi, Arabic, Japanese, German, and Italian. This means you can create global content and serve clients from different regions without extra tools. And if you love the idea of offering unique services like role-playing customer journeys, animated storytelling, or branded explainer videos, this app helps you simulate real-world scenarios using tools like Runway Gen 3 Minimax and Machi. So let's review this clearly. You're getting access to the top AI video generation models on the market. You can create everything from animated reels to cinematic trailers. You have the ability to sell, resell, and even build an agency from this. There are no hidden costs, no API limits, and no complicated setups. With OneVideo AI, you're not just another creator. You become producer, editor, director, and distributor, all rolled into one. And that's exactly what makes this platform a game changer. Let's talk about how you can turn this into a business. Most clients need content fast. They want video ads, reels, promos, and explainers. But they don't have time to wait days. They want results in hours, sometimes minutes. With OneVideo AI, you deliver within minutes, and they'll be amazed. You can start your own subscription service, offer unlimited monthly videos, or charge per project. The commercial license gives you full freedom. This is also ideal for YouTubers running faceless channels. No need to record yourself. Use AI voices, generate scenes, and publish high-quality videos consistently. The more content you produce, the more chances you have of going viral. According to the PDF and sales data, over 3 million AI-generated videos are uploaded every single day on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The video AI industry is projected to cross $200 billion by 2027. And 95% of online businesses will rely on video content powered by AI. OneVideo AI positions you at the forefront of that wave. Now imagine this. You create a video with Google Veo, animate it with Kling, add effect from Machi, and finalize with Stable Diffusion, all within minutes. You sell it for $250. Do that 10 times a month, and you've already made over $2,000 from a tool you paid just $14.95 for. That's a massive return. As we scroll further down the page, the creators emphasize how this tool redefines AI video content creation. And they're right. It's not just an app, it's a full video creation ecosystem. You no longer need multiple logins, paid APIs, or separate subscriptions. You log into one place, and everything is there. If you're still on the fence, remember this. OneVideo AI is backed by a 30-day no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So to sum up, OneVideo AI is your all-in-one video agency toolkit. It's affordable, powerful, and designed to help you generate, publish, and profit from cinematic AI-powered content. Whether you want to scale your own brand or sell to others, this is the kind of tool that gives you a serious edge. That brings us to the end of this in-depth walkthrough. If you're ready to grab your copy of OneVideo AI, check the link in the description below. And if you purchase through my affiliate link, send me a message on Instagram to claim your free bonus bundle filled with digital assets, templates, and exclusive tools curated just for the Review Scout subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you found value today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Review Scout for more reviews that help you save time, save money, and grow smarter. Until next time, keep creating, keep scaling, and stay awesome.